you. The Marion County prosecutor is dropping the murder case filed against a man accused of killing his brother. He says crime scene evidence and the victim's history played a role in that decision.
Fox 59's Russ McQuaid reports on the factors and the changing attitudes which are leading to more successful claims of self-defense.
It was inside a duplex here in this North Side neighborhood in April of 2024 when two brothers got into it and one killed the other. It was certainly a family tragedy, as spelled out in the Marion County prosecutor's notice of dismissal of the murder charge. Quote, the defendant told detectives that Damon Anderson grabbed him around the neck, was grabbing for the defendant's handgun, said, if you don't do it to me, I'm going to do it to you. It was going to be me or you. The prosecutor wrote that the brother under attack had good reason to fear for his life. Damon Anderson had been convicted of murder, reads the dismissal. The defendant was aware of this information and that the fact that Damon Anderson had been convicted of murder would be admissible at trial.
As a defense attorney, I would make the argument, he had no other option. All he was trying to do was defend himself. And he knew that if he didn't defend himself, then he could be dead.
Statistics show IMPD's non-criminal homicide totals, which include self-defense and accidental killings, jumped up starting in 2023. At about the same time, Indiana did away with gun permits.
I do think that there has been an increase of people carrying firearms simply for their own protection, and in those situations where they might have been a victim, being able to protect themselves.
So far this year, 22 of IMPD's homicides have been ruled non-criminal, giving the courts more to think about when it comes to charging and trying defendants claiming they were in fear for their lives.
I do think that the number of self-defense cases have gone up.
When the defendant files a notice of self-defense, that's an affirmative defense. So the burden shifts from the prosecutor's office, having to prove beyond a reasonable doubt just the elements of the charge. But now they have to prove that beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant didn't act in self-defense. I think jurors are a lot more likely to give the defendants the benefit of the doubt, especially when the jurors, it's unfortunate and it's hard to tell a juror not to put themselves in the defendant's shoes.
I approached the family involved in this case. They didn't care to comment. On the North Side, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Russ, thanks for that. And a Fox 59 update.